Hi everybody, I'm gonna show unboxing about the iPhone 3GS version 3. I've shown a 32GB version. See in HD format. This is my second video of YouTube, and let's get started. iPhone 3GS, and I can start using. Before I using iPhone 2G. This is it. It's 8GB version. It sucks because I scratch all the way. Let's see the unboxing. It's unboxed. Because it is officially unboxed, so it comes to remove the wrapper. I'll check the unlocked one. I could unlocked, but pre-unlock is easy. Let's see exactly what's that. We can keep it there. And this is what's that? And this kind of light. Keep it there. iPhone with us separated. And this is the fingertips I have. So I have experienced for some adjustment tool. You see that and the fingertips. I took the black one because the iPhone got results quickly, and let's start off overview. Well, it's not very easy. Well, this is very quick, easy, and let's take the large before one of this is bracket from 2G and 3G iPhone Watch from this thing, and this is the 3GS new one. Nice slim design, have a kind of making everything slim now. This USB cable inside is a very nasty thing. And Apple any earphones, but headphones. Not any, it's just the Apple headphones, but with a mic. Skip it there. And it's best. I mean, if you take the iPhone, I'm going to show you the features of the iPhone. Let's align it, and it's there. So studio unlocked. Install. Oh wow, it's worked very quickly. Pretty easy type for some black color. It's 32GB. You see my shadow of the camera, and you know, see the iPod. We don't want to call iPod, so we just want to call 555. No, it's inside my SIM and call it back. And call mom.
Calling Rob.
Yeah, it's calling us. I'm kind of jailbreak it too. So we got to jailbreak it. And after that, use it in your camera, and we got the tap to focus features. Tap it, and just wanna fit it with the explosion. And hope you enjoy it, guys. And just want to swipe it. It's 32GB iPhone. I just click on there. Oh shit! I mean. Not bad. Take it easy. It's not to fold out, but I'll organize it. And I show shortly about the 3GS unlocking and jailbreaking. And so please comment. Bye.